IPOB!
For over 5,000 years, we are one of the oldest people on the face of this very earth. Force anywhere on this earth at the moment. The biggest of its kind anywhere. We will not surrender. It is either Biafra or we die getting Biafra. Religion and belief. That's all. It's like a mini, as long as you subscribe to this philosophy of fairness.
What do you discuss about? I mean, like, do you have concrete plans? Or
of course we do, yes. For the purposes of this very exercise that we embark on. Time to do a lot of introspection and, believe it or not, to be closer to God than I ever was before. I became more prayerful. I started to be more in tune with nature and also to ponder extensively on the best way to get Biafra in the quickest possible time available to us. The mission and the value of IPOB is very simple: to restore Biafra, to make sure that Biafra comes by whatever means possible. We have chosen the track of peaceful agitation, non-violence, persuasion, logic, reason, argument. We're going to deploy all of that to make sure that we get Biafra. What Biafra is seeking to do is to bring a semblance of civility and decency to a very chaotic part of the world. That is our core motive, our core ethos, what we believe in. Without Biafra, there will be no difference between an animal and a black person from Africa. That's the truth. Our ultimate goal is freedom. Referendum is the path we've chosen to take to get Biafra. And that referendum, as I said earlier, is what we must have. There is no alternative. We'll do everything within our powers to make sure there's a referendum. We intend to remain peaceful, we put it that way. But if they come into our houses and they start slaughtering us and raping our women, then the least we can do is at least defend them. We reserve the right to defend ourselves, and we'll do that. Should it come to that, we'll do so.